Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Puff Puff, Nigerian Puff Puff. I'll be showing you how to make puff puff. You're gonna need flours, evaporated milk, yeast. All the lists of ingredients are listed below. You need 2.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and and then you mix. Once you mix everything together, then you're going to add your evaporated milk and some water. While you're doing that, you're going to mix. Add water at a time, a little bit of water at a time, so that way you don't have too much. You want to get it to the consistency where you're able to get the flour to be smooth and ready to fry. So this is the consistency I was talking about. You want it to be smooth and fluffy as well. And then you're going to cover and put it in a warm place for an hour. I'm going to cover this up with the saran wrap and towel and place in the oven so that way I can get the flour to rise. So this is what I'm doing. And then after that, after an hour, you bring it out and then you're ready to fry. And this is what it looks like after it's been an hour. And then you just get your pot of oil and just put the amount you want in there and fry it till it's brown and edible. Okay. This is my first time making puff puff, so I think I tried. This is what it looks like while it's still in the process of being fried brown. You want to fry it till it's golden brown, and this is what it looks like. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share. And this is what it looks like after it's been done. Thank you.